This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all. Good morning. Good morning. Online people, is I audible? Good morning, everybody. Online people, is I audible?
Yes.
First of all, thanks for joining the session. So first, let me introduce myself. Myself, Ravi Kumar. I have overall of 12 years of IT experience. In that, last 8 years onwards, I am teaching Splunk. Teaching Splunk. And past 4 years, 4 years onwards, I am teaching cyber security SOC analyst course. Okay, right now I am working professional. Yes, I test. Okay, so this is my background. I trained many people, sir. So many people are in the best position Splunk analysis and also SOC analyst. But compared to SOC analyst, Splunk kind of tool based, we have a lot of people. Like a lot of people are there. Like from past 8 years onwards, I am in the Splunk. Last 4 years onwards, I am in the cybersecurity SOC analyst. Sorry?
I have a small doubt.
Yes, please.
Splunk is belongs to SOC itself, right?
Yes, that's what that we will understand. Now we will understand that. Actually, what is actually Splunk? What is the use of everybody are thinking about Splunk is a cyber security actually.
SOC itself.
SOC itself, they are thinking like a Splunk, but it has separate shades. It has a hidden shades are there. We'll talk on it. So this is actually my experience. I think nobody are teaching Splunk this much of content in the present market. Why? Because I started in 2018 on Splunk teaching. So around 60% of employees are our students in the Splunk. Within the Capgemini itself, 150 people are there. Lot of people, like topmost MNCs, all MNCs, we have our students, and they're right now they are in the interview panels, team lead level. So one of the best achievements we done on the Splunk. SOC we are doing now. Like we are also having some successful stories on the SOC also. We'll talk on the successful stories also. But what I will do, this is myself. What I will do, I will teach around 20 to 30 minutes of class first. We'll try to understand what content we are going to discuss, what is the areas we are going to cover. This content, how much years of experience it will be helpful. Okay, everything we are discussing today within 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, again 20 to 30 minutes, we will discuss something related to question and answers. Whatever the questions you have, you can ask me. I'll try to clear your doubts, like guidance kind of interaction section. It is just like a interaction section, sir. Just make this section as interactive. It's not a demo. Means if product needs there, the product needs to be show how the product will work. Here don't have any product right now. I'm not showing any demo here. Okay, in coming classes you will see the demo how my product will work. Okay, everything. But this is interaction section, what makes sense to get the job. Okay, what industries are expecting, what you need to go through that. Everything we are going to discuss interactively. Okay, so first, anybody having any questions before going to start the session? Online people, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your response, but my request is please respond, sir. If you are not responding, what is the use of attending the live class? Better to go with recording section, na? Okay, So please, if you attend the live class means, please try to interact with me. Okay. So interaction. It is not. It is a free interaction. Free interaction. Just knowing something is free is very better now. So please interact with me. So before going to start the subject, so I just open my profile first. This is my profile. If you want, you can glance it. Okay. So it's a nativefly.app. So this is a Ravi Kumar Pendley, cybersecurity mentor, senior SOC analyst, my role as of now. Okay. And Splunk certified, coming to 12 years of experience. You can check, this is total 6 years of experience, and these many people I trained, and these many corporate trainings I gave, and these many certifications I have. So this is my profile. Okay. And if you talk about it, my journey is like this. I start in 2014. Okay. Data analyst, actually Tableau and Power BI. I start my career with Tableau and Power BI, and after that I moved to DevOps. And the DevOps only I picked the Splunk. Actually, I am also like a you only. I'm not a IIT returns. I am not a like a super guy. Most of the guys, majority people are like below average candidates, or average candidates, or backbench candidates. I am also same kind of person. Okay. So what happened in the DevOps? There are multiple tools are there. In my project, they are giving left and right with multiple tools. Okay. I escape from that because on the time, instead of Negios is a monitoring tool on the time of DevOps. Okay. They introduced a Splunk. So what happened? I done some miracles on the Splunk at that time. Okay. I just got some concentration on Splunk, and I just implement Splunk in my company. That's why they consider me as a critical resources on Splunk.
Oh.
After that, I jumped from DevOps to Splunk. Because why? Because that many tools I'm facing very hectic process. That's a simply one tool. Okay, very good. And like that, I jumped and I start Splunk. Okay, in 2018 earlier I started. Immediately once I entered into the 2018 at early years of 2018. I think 2018 end itself I started the classes. Okay, within a short time, like 9 months after I started the classes. So the first batch is in this office only. Okay, from that day onwards, we done a lot of miracles in the Splunk kind of activity. So then we are introduced into the cyber security also from past 4 years back. Why? Because my company are exploring towards the analytics as well as security analytics. Okay, up to now my company is only on focused on monitoring and observability. But after that, my company is focused on security also. Then I started move to the cyber security, and now I am teaching the cyber security SOC analyst classes also. Right now, I am a senior security analyst. Okay, this is my journey, sir. And my expertizations are these ones are cyber security, SOC analysis, SIEM, security information and event management, Splunk, IBM Curator, threat intel, incidents response, digital forensic, vulnerability assessment, pen testing, cloud security, Snowflake. Snowflake is a data warehouse. I am master in Snowflake also. I am a certified Snowflake data engineer. And SQL, Power BI, Tableau, GCP. I am a certified GCP data engineer. Okay. And EDR, XDR, and AWS security. Maybe you will get a doubt, sir. We joined into cyber security. Okay, but you are mostly talking about data engineering and data analyst. See here, cyber security also multiple modules are there. So many people are confusing with these modules. So people, you are came to defensive module. The defensive model is SOC, Security Operations Centers. Okay, SOC means analyst. SOC analyst. The role is analyst. SOC analyst or security analyst. The analyst means a person. Who is this person? Who is doing data analytics? That means as a SOC security analyst also, you must and should know data analytical process. You must and should know data engineering operations. So that's why I understand cybersecurity in very easy manner. So many people thinks that cybersecurity is very hard to learn, but I learn very easily within the fingertips. Why? Because the entire flow will be same like data engineering and data analysis only. Data engineering, and I will give you one example in coming examples. I will tell you. Okay, that's why I gave from these backgrounds. That's why security analysis is also very easy for me. Okay, so that I will make you into that. Don't worry about it. This is my expertise, and these are my certifications. like Splunk certified power user, Splunk enterprise certified admin, Splunk certified cyber security defense analyst, and compat CA security plus, and certified cyber security professional, and certified SOC analyst, and GCP data engineering, and Snowflake data. And these are the certifications I have.
But what are we going to learn all of these tools?
So
All of these.
actually, we are main focused on cyber security SOC analyst and Splunk analyst.
Okay.
Both contexts. That means this course, this certification, this certification, this certification, this certification, this certification, and this. It is not related to you.
Okay.
This GCP and Snowflake is my old certifications. This as I am working with the data analyst and
Telling about his profile that he has.
my profile.
So one more question: what kind of jobs? Jobs we can apply from this?
Yes, I will show you. I will show you. Once I will read my entire process,
Okay.
then I will show you what roles you will get and how much experience you can keep.
Okay.
Everything I will explain. This is just my profile. Okay. This is about my profile, sir. If you want, you can reach out with my profile. Okay. This is my number also. You can reach out with me. Okay. You can take this number. You just you will get the recording video.
Okay.
On the recording, you take this and check it. No problem. Okay. It's a public profile on. Okay. Now this is about it. Now come to the cyber security. Sir, in this class, some people came from different backgrounds, like only interested on Splunk. In this class, only people who are showing interest on Splunk also there. And the persons who are interested on cyber security SOC analyst also there. That means both people are there. But today class is just about the cyber security. On that cyber security, what is the role of Splunk? Then you will understand, okay, what make difference between these two. Okay, clear, sir? So don't deviate anything, but as usually, commonly, please listen the class. Okay, any doubts you can ask me in the middle also, no problem. Okay, now what is cyber security? What do you know about the cyber security? What do you know about the cyber security?
Cyber security is practice of protecting organizational systems and network.
Super, 100% correct. It's not about a data. It's not about a device. It is not about an asset. It is not about a resource. Whatever it may be in the organization, whatever it may be in the company, all needs to be protected. There is information security is there. What is information security? Information security is the main role of cyber security. Actually, everybody are working for achieving the information security. Everybody are working for the information, achieving the information security. Information security is nothing but whatever the form you have, for example, digital format, you have a data, or paper format, or something file format, or anywhere the data you are safeguarding, that we call it as information security. How you are safeguarding? By using a three pillars of information security. One is integrity. CIA tried. So first I will try to understand cyber security and information security. Okay, so many people are confusing with this. Actually, cyber security is the part of information security. Is one part of the information security. Without information security, nothing. We can't implement the cyber security actually. We can't implement the cyber security. That means that, sir, we are directly learning the information security means no. It is just like one type of platform. It is just like a one type of platform. So information security means which will be work with a CIA tribe. CIA tribe. What is CIA tribe? CIA tribe. One is confidentiality. 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 And other one is integrity. And other one is availability. Confidentiality, integrity, and confidential, integrity, and availability. Understand, sir? Availability. Okay. What is confidentiality? What is confidentiality, sir? Normally, whatever the data you have, So you are sending the data to some other guy. So if the data is sending in the plain text, in the middle, man in the middle attack happened, for example, what will happen? The plain text can be visible, na? So that via network your data is traveling, the data needs to be encrypted. The data needs to be encrypted. Otherwise, there is a misuse of the data. For example, you send some hello message to your friend. Hello message to your friend in the WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp to WhatsApp. The message will go like this. If it is in the plain text, what will happen? Ravi, as a hacker, he will see this plain text. But hello will be sent like this. Cello. It is encrypted format. Just example I am telling you. So that even though if a person is seeing this data also, it is not actual data. It is encrypted data. Original data will be safe. Original data will be safe. That means everywhere the communication will be maintained properly with encryption process, encryption methodology. In the encryption, two methods are there. One is symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryptions are there. Symmetric and asymmetric. Normally, for example, the data was encrypted. Again, receiver, the data received. Again, if he want to read it, if he want to read it as an authorized person, you need a decryption key, na? You need a decryption, na? So that means encryption and a decryption. So if you are using a same key, for example, there is a key 5. If you are using a same key 5 for decryption also, that is a symmetric encryption. You got my point? If you are using a key 5 and key 25 you are using, that means respect to private key. Respect to, this is public key and this is a respect to private key. Okay, same different key you are using, that is a asymmetric. Asymmetric. There are multiple algorithms are there to encrypt it. On that, most powerful is advanced symmetric encryption method, ASE encryption. Okay. Otherwise, there is a blowfish or different encryption methods are there. Okay. But whatever it may be, in depth we'll talk in coming classes. Now you understand, sir. Confidentiality is nothing but maintaining your data into a encryption process. Transfer your data with a confidentiality. Otherwise, there is a misuse of your data. That's why most of the cyber security will be achieved with a confidentiality. Understand, sir? Cyber security means security only, na? Securing yourself, na? Protecting yourself, na? Protecting your data, na? Protecting your server, na? Protecting your asset, na? How you are protecting? By using a maintaining the confidentiality. Understand, sir? Yes. Now you understand confidentiality. Then what is integrity? What is integrity? Integrity means, for example, what's your name? Praveen. Praveen. So you are the Praveen. Somebody said that Praveen will come to the class. Now one of the person came and sitting listening in the class in the name of Praveen. How I know? Is it Praveen or not? He is claiming that I am Praveen. But how I will confirm it? He is only the Praveen. Huh? ID can be morphed. ID can be morphed. No? Yes, superb. Fingerprint. Thumb. Thumb is a identical. Your fingerprint, checksum. Fingerprint is nothing but a integrity. By using this fingerprint, you can tell that as that is the candidate. That is the person. Got my point? Yes, why? Because it is not matching to other people. No? That is called checksum. That is called fingerprint. That is called hash value. That means every file having its own hash value. Every file having its own hash value. Hash value is called integrity. In the nowadays, for example, if you want one application, I will just sharing the application and you are installing in your laptop or mobile. But in the companies, it's not like that. If any application is to be installed on the company, okay, the concerned person of the manufacturer company needs to send the application along with hash value. You got my point? For example, this is the company. What is the company? Splunk. Splunk is the company. They are giving their software to public platforms. Okay, they are asking to use their software. See, this is the software. Go to the platforms. Oh, sorry. This is the platform. Now check here. Free trial is available. Sorry. Splunk Cloud, Splunk Enterprise. Set a free trial. No, come down here. See, some value. Some software is doing, but they are giving you some integrity value. You can check. Download now. Okay. See, this is their hash value. Desktop. Just save it. This is a hash value. This is SHA 512. This is one type of algorithm for hashing, or SHA 256, or SHA 1, or MD5. This is a hashing algorithms actually. So the Splunk is using a SHA 512 algorithm. Some companies, some of the softwares will use MD5. Some companies will use SHA 1.
Is it possible to decrypt it?
It's not possible. It's not at all possible. Why? Because hashing is not a one-way technique.
You told the types, right? 2 types, not 3 types. What are those then?
It's depends. Like for example, it's a one fixed length of string. Okay, the string will be MD5 means some length. Okay, SHA1 means one length. 512 means 512 bytes of a length will be there. There's a fixed length. Hash value is nothing but one-way technique, whereas encryption and decryption will be a two-way technique. With the decryption, encryption will be possible. With encryption, decryption will be possible. Keys, with the keys, you can read the plain text to cipher text to plain text. Here, hash value can't get the original data. One-way technique. Okay, but if you observe, I will give you one example on this. Okay, let's say for example, what is the importance of this? Integrity is more important in the organization, and that too in the cyber security it is more important. Why? For example, right now you are ready to join my course. You are ready to join my course. That's why what I gave, I created one provoke payment details file. Payment details file. One file I created. What is that file means? This is provoke trainings. Okay, thanks for choosing us. Okay, please enroll to cyber security SOC Analyst by Ravi Kumar course by paying initial amount as 10K to below number. Okay, 910000. Okay, 5568. Okay, now note both PhonePe and GPay will work. Clear, sir? This is the note, sir. This is the note. What I will do, all 20 people are interested on my course. For 20 people, I create one WhatsApp group and I share this file into that WhatsApp group. You got my point? Why I'm sharing the WhatsApp group and it will reach to you means it is travel in the network only, na? In the middle, the man in the middle attack happened and he changed something. First, what I will do, I will check this hash value first. I will check this hash value. If you want to check the hash value, what you will do, you just go to the virus total. There are some tools are there, virus total or IBM Expose or some multiple tools are there. I'm using virus total. So I'm just checking a file. Just choose a file. On the desktop, there is a provoke payment details file. Okay. Now see, confirm upload. Now I'm checking the hash value for this, sir. Okay.
Is that happening?
Yes, it should have happened. Wait. Online people, are you following? Do you have any questions? You can ask me in the middle also, sir. Please. So see, in the details, you can check. This is a MD5 hash value, MSH, anything you can choose, sir, no problem. Okay. This is hash value, sir. Got my point? Now, please remember this hash value. Okay. And what I will do, I'm changing this to a file name. I'm changing the file name. Details by Ravi. Some name I changed. Now I am trying to check the hash value. What will happen? Please check it. Okay. File name changes, sir. But what happened? I will check it, sir. Provoke payment details by Ravi. See, same hash value to get it. E8C C7A5 and 0277A. See, sir. E8C C7A5 and 0277A. That means by changing the file name, it is not changing the hash value. That means integrity is same. Person only, you only, na. Changing the name is not a integrity change. Changing the file name, how many times if we want to change file name, no problem. But try to change the file data information on that. There is a information, man in the middle attack happened. Okay, this file was accessed by, okay, so and so person. Okay, now he was changed some data. Okay, phone number is 9957. Okay, what he created a actually phone pay. The name is Provoke Trainings. The name is Provoke Trainings. Okay, the name will become like this, sir. Okay, so what happened? One of the hacker created one bank account. Okay, in the name of like this. Pro Trainings. Is any changes, any mismatches are there, sir? Simply you think that okay, it is Pro Trainings only, na? Okay, otherwise you could take like this. So one of the hacker take the account with this name. It looks like a Pro Trainings only, and that was attached with a 9100009997. What I will do, I didn't change that again. Open. I didn't save it. Save it. Save it. It was saved. You got my point. Now some changes was happened. Okay. Now what happened? This was reached to the person candidate. If you candidate open, that is a 9957. He thinks that okay, it is the payment details. He will type the phone pay. Okay, he will cross check with the Provoke Trainings name. Okay, he didn't observe. He didn't observe and he paid 1,000, 1 lakh. Sorry, 10,000. 100 people paid 10,000 to that same number means you are sending to wrong person. So try to check that hash value for that guy, sir. That changes file hash value. Please check it. Go and check. Some changes happened. Now I am checking that file. Desktop, provoke, and details. Now confirm.
this virus totally, this is only for just checking.
It is like one type of database, sir, criminal database. Like in the police records, you have a database now to check the he is a criminal or not. Same like that, it is some complete intelligent one of the type of tool which will check some suspicious IPs information, suspicious domains, URLs, and everything. I will teach you in coming class about this details. See, if you see, sir,
Yeah, it has.
1415 E727, it was changed. That means you are not using a genuine file. That's why most of the companies, if you talk, okay, they will give you along with the software, there is a checksum value. For example, if you want to download some Kali Linux, okay, some Kali Linux, okay, take this Kali Linux URL. So Kali Linux is a one attack mission, okay, like a security mission. So see, they are giving a checksum value. This is the check SHA 256. So you are downloading this one. After downloading in the network, if any attack happened, that will be corrupted. So after downloading, you need to check, okay, whether this checksum is matching or not. If checksum is matching, then only you are installing a correct software. Get my point, sir?
When we download, we have to check this.
At least check it. Now go to the virus total, upload that file, and check that virus total checksum value and this one. If it is matching, then only you are installing correct one. Otherwise, in the middle, some changes happen. The code changes happened or script placed. Anything, if changes happen, some new string will be created. You got my point? Like that, they used to check the integrity. Companies will use to check the integrity while installing any softwares, any files, transferring or something like that.
Then check with the company SHA, this
Yes.
hash code.
Yes. Even right now, I am sharing one important document for the agreement. Along with the file, I need to send the hash code. Then they will check the integrity accordingly. They used to point.
The virus is that's a open platform.
Open platform. Otherwise, companies has its own platforms.
Okay.
Most people will use virus totals or IBM X-Force.
IBM?
X-Force.
They have a paid version, I guess.
Somewhere we have a paid only. Somewhere free only, but more features if you want, go free, paid, but free only enough. And IPVO.
IPVO. IPVO virus. And,
virus total and IBM X-Force is
IBM.
the. Sometimes only IP address means who is IP. These are the enough. Okay. Now you understand the integrity.
Yes.
Now come to the availability. Availability means, sir. So availability means, sir, anytime you need to be available. For example, the data is in my laptop. Suppose my laptop right now I am teaching the class, sir. Suddenly, power was gone. Still, I want to teach the class. What I need to do? Backup. Backup is the availability. So let's say my laptop was corrupted, entire collapsed. Again, I want the previous data. Then backup only, na? Now my laptop was shut down. Now I want to teach the class. Another laptop. How you are achieving? One is you are achieving the availability by maintaining the duplicating redundancy. That means this data into another server. If this data fails also, still you have another server data. Redundancy are duplicating. You can say same. Okay. So for example, right now I am absent. The same person like me, he will teach the class, na? That is availability. Duplicating. You can achieve the availability by using a duplicating and by using a backup. By using a backup. And the third one is by using a load balancers. Load balancers. Like how you are trying to access one website. On the website, 10 servers are hosted. One server is very busy. Your request is go to that server only. And it shows that busy, na? That time you can't access that server. You can't access the website. That's why what they will do, they will split the load to another server so that user can access the website. Even though one server busy, two server busy also, third server will communicate with the help of load balancer, splitting the load between the servers or assets. Look at my point. That is called availability. Now, without these three, there is no company or there is no software. There is no IT industry. It's not about cyber security. See, AI trade is the main. Okay, so that it is no need to learn it. It is a process. Everybody needs to follow that process to achieve the cyber security process. Okay, but cyber security itself, three pillars are there. Cyber security itself, cyber security means protecting anything. But cyber security itself, it has three pillars, sir. Three pillars. Okay, what are the three pillars of cyber security? Anybody knows? Three pillars of cyber security. Anybody knows? Pillars. So one is people. Another one is process. Another one is technology. People, process, technology, sir. So many people nowadays, if you observe, sir, I don't want to comment anybody, sir. I don't want to make any comments on anybody. Why? Because I don't have any competitions or regrets on them. Just I'm trying to explain you. Nowadays, if you see the Instagram and Facebook, even TV9 anchors also saying the cyber security. Yes or no?
Recently, Naga Chaitanya told that I'll change the password within 10 days or 12 days. Every
cyber security, TV9 anchors or news channel anchors or something like influencers, the persons who don't have education. Somewhere influencers all don't have education, na?
Yes.
But still they are influencers and they are giving the cyber security. That is come under people, sir. That is just a awareness program. That is just a awareness program. So many people attracting you people in the Instagram, sir, your phone is hacking. Even sir, give me your phone. I will hack you within 5 minutes. And they're showing some miracles in the Instagrams, the reels, and they are attracting you to join to the cybersecurity courses. Sir, that is just doing the awareness programs. In our childhood, so many people, some people will come to some open place and they give away some magic kind of activities. They will do some activities, na? They will walk on rope, they will go to the ground level and they stay for 24 hours, 48 hours. That is just a magic. Simply thinks that, okay, this is wow. So awareness, people, activity, just for understanding, for following. It's just a 20% of cybersecurity. Only awareness, okay. Only understanding the cybersecurity can't get the job. Are you interested in the job or you are interested on only awareness? People need expected job now. You want to become a cyber security professional. You want to become a cyber security professional. Don't attract to the things who are showing like, okay, your mobile phone got hacked, your computer got hacked. Yes, it will hack it, sir. In real time, it will be hacked within the short time. So sometimes I'm seeing the reel. So I give your mobile. I'll just do some installation, all right? And he will try to control the mobile. If you give your mobile, I will also share some file and I will take the control of your mobile. In companies, some people will give companies or servers are given to the hacker. Got my point, sir? Definitely, you need to become a professional. You need to become a job holder, or you are looking for the job. People activity not. Awareness is not. You need to concentrate on process and technology. You need to process. How many cyber security advertisements people are talking about process and technology? How many people are talking? Tell me. Huh? So many people are seeing some reels now. After that, after today, you will see so many reels about the cyber security. Why? Because along with you, your mobile also listening my class, so that you will get some reels about ads, some about cyber security. Definitely, so that you can check it today onwards. How many people are talking about people and process? Sorry, process and technology. All are talking about hacking only. That's why first statement only, I don't have any regrets about them. I don't want to take them into here, but only they are giving awareness. Okay, influencers are giving awareness. News channel anchors are giving the awareness. Okay, and government also giving the awareness. That is a people activity. That is just a 10 to 20% of cybersecurity pillars. Every person needs awareness programs are 100%. Without awareness, how you will understand? Even though I am a cybersecurity trained also, I don't have awareness, I will get a victim. I will victim to the other person. Na? Yes or no? That's why awareness is more important. Cybersecurity latest updates needs to be followed. Okay. So almost. Why? Because every time if something happened, immediately you need to report it. You need to safeguard your systems. You need to safeguard your mobiles. Why? Because you are in the network. Nowadays, you are in the public platform, not in the private place. Even though you're sitting in the 4 rooms also, somebody are sitting in their bedrooms and they're listening the class. Yes or no? So in the online, some people are listening the class in the bedroom. Bedroom having a 4 walls, but it is not a public private place. Bedroom is a private place, but it is not a private place. It is public place. Why? Because every room nowadays, every IoT devices are there, Wi-Fi fizzes are there, refrigerators are there, Wi-Fi TVs are there. All these devices are connected to network. Even a small bulb also will get into the hacking. In your mobile, in your home, there is a IoT device. By clapping the hand, the light will be on and it will be off, for example. Otherwise, your refrigerator, which was connected to Wi-Fi, or a TV, which was connected to your Wi-Fi, or any other device which was connected to your Wi-Fi, that makes you into the hacking. If you kept some weak passwords, for example, there is a camera, IP camera. That IP camera also allow the hacking. We think that we have a strong password on my router, Wi-Fi. But IP camera having admin password. Admin is the user, a password is the admin. So hacker will enter into with that. With that, once he entered into the network, he will check the loopholes. Accordingly, he will enter into the network. And he will take entire handover of our network. So definitely awareness is more important, but it's not a cybersecurity professional activity. Now you understand some people activity. People is nothing but awareness and encouragement. Awareness means every time you need to understand the latest updates of cybersecurity. Okay, what we need to do, what we not to do, you need to understand. If something happened bad, you need to report to the concerned persons. Got my point, sir? This is about people. Now come to the process. Process is more important in the cybersecurity fundamentals. Every company needs to follow the process to minimize the risk of cybersecurity. Hacking, unauthorized accesses. Let's say without a process, so many people will come and enter into the locker room. No? In the bank, there is no process. What will happen? A customer also go and open the locker room. No? It's not correct. No? That's why there is a process. Segregation is there. This is a critical data. This is non-critical data. This is frequently accessed data. This is non-frequently accessed data. Like that, you have some segregations. Data classification schemas will be there. Segregations will be there. Access policies controls. Okay, he is a 2 years guy. He can access up to here only. He is a 3-year guy. He can access that level. He is a 5 years guy. He can access so and so level. He is a owner of the institute. He can access any room. That access policies control is more important. IAM, identity access management. Identity access management. Privilege is more important. That can be achieved with a process. Process is nothing but categorization, implementing the privileges, implementing the control policies. Control policies. One second.
Oh, okay.
Okay, process. Okay, so process is more important, sir. That's why most of the some of the tools are there, like IAM, okay, and data classification schema, some access incidents response. This type of roles are there to implement this process. So some job roles are there in the process. There is no job roles in the people. Job roles in the people is influencers only. Okay, so job roles in the process we have like instance responser, like IAM access management, and palm tools privilege access management, like a CyberArk. Okay, ping and federated, SailPoint, Azure Active Directory, Okta single sign-on, Active Directories. These all come under the process. Okay, now come to the technology. Technology is the most important. You need to understand the technology much more to become a cybersecurity engineer or analyst. Okay, technology is more important. Technology is nothing but a computer or a hardware or a software or a devices used in the network like firewall, IPS, IDS, antivirus, load balancers, core switches, access switches, DLP systems, web application firewalls, EDR tools, SIEM tools. You need to understand all the devices used in the network and what is the purpose of it. Technology is most important. Around 50 to 60% of cybersecurity can be implemented with technology only. Technology only. You got my point? For example, if you talk about this is our network. In this network, some of the devices are there. Like for example, firewall, IDS, IPS, some next generation firewall, some load balancer, some DLP systems, some web application firewall, some antivirus, some EDR tools, like multiple devices. Now, some user is trying to access this network. So this network asks you, who are you? Who are you? So I am the Ravi. I have this access policy. Please give me the permission. You got my point? That is called IAM. User get a access policies with a proper privileges. So to access a authorized network or authorized devices. And there we have a servers like a DB servers. This is a critical server. Some PAN card, Aadhaar card details are there.
What he will do the IAM and
Like IAM will restrict the user to access the resources.
other
Like any resources. For example, you have some server. So IAM will create a some. Yes, please. Yes, please. Who rise? Nadim Sheikh. Please tell me. You raise the hand. Please tell me. Do you have any question? Online people, anybody having any questions, sir? Any server, sir. For example, right now this is the office. Okay. I create a student privilege to you to listen the class. One of the guy came and said that somebody raised a hand. I gave a admin privilege to him to check the entire admin activities. You got my point? There is an office boy. I gave a privilege to him to clean the rooms and everything. restriction.
He will monitor the restrictions.
Yes, he will only responsible to give the
Who is doing.
what resources he need to be accessed, what level of access he need, what privileges and what policies he need, that can be taken care of it.
Admin have
All privileges
privilege.
like that. For example, trainer privilege,
Privilege.
owner privilege. He can go anywhere. Owner. What my point? Trainer only for lab and classroom. Student only lab and classroom. You got my point, sir? That is actual privilege. So he will give the user privileges and he will try to give it. But unfortunately, one of the hacker used a Ravi privilege and he entered. Hacker take the Ravi's user credentials and he entered into the network. Ravi has a less privilege, no problem. You got my point, sir? For example, one of the thief came to our office with ID card of student. No problem. He can enter up to classroom and lab. Not more than that. He can't enter into the locker room. Suppose same unauthorized theft guy use a credentials of owner, then lot of damage will be happened. That's why first, if any attack happened, first you need to check what is the user privilege for that operation. If it is account highest privilege guy, immediate P1 issue needs to be raised. Like why? Because more damage will be scope. There is scope of more damage, na? You got me? You things like that, sir. Okay, you things like that. So now, anyways, one authorized person is trying to access the network and he is trying to enter and he tried to access this database. To reach out the database in the network, they need to cross different devices. For example, SIEM meeting is happening. SIEM is the main person. One of the rowdy shooter is trying to access this SIEM. Directly you can access, sir. You need to go and travel lot of policemen, na? Lot of security guards, na? Yes or no? Yes or no? Same like that. If you observe, sir, there is a SIEM meeting is happened. Okay, is SIEM meeting is happening? Is any chance to go and give the shake to him? No. That means by default, everybody are blocked to give the shake to SIEM. That is taken care by firewall. Firewall is a device in the network, the first device which will block the persons, everybody to give the access to SIEM. Got my point, sir? That means firewall is a device. He will block every traffic to reach to the SIEM, to reach to the destination. Got my point or not? Yes or no? Now, SIEM means some people said, but who are wearing a red shirt, please send them via gate 1 to meet me. SIEM said, who are wearing a red shirt, please allow them via gate 1. That one, red shirt is a protocol. Red shirt is a protocol. Gate 1 is a port number. If I update some protocol and port number, for example, HTTPS and port number some 22, SSH 22. SSH is the protocol, port number is a 22, or HTTPS 80. I mentioned the person who have that protocol and with that port number that allowed, the traffic will be allowed. Now, who wear red shirt, that persons can be allowed via firewall. Got my point, sir? Now tell me, 100 people of red shirt are coming via gate 1. Okay. Now we don't know how many people are suspicious. Maybe thefts also will wear a red shirt, na? But firewall will allow them. It won't check. It will only check the red shirt protocol and port number. It allowed. Now then it will goes to the IDS device. Sir, in detail, I will explain very clearly in coming classes, sir. Today, just in generally, I'm trying to explain. Okay, in general. So now IDS will, what it will happen? It will observe the signatures of the traffic. Signatures of the traffic. For example, in the 100 people, 10 people are giving a signals to the other people. They're giving the signals with his eyes and hands. Now, one of the policemen observed that. That is called IDS. IDS observe the traffic of malicious based on the signature of the malicious. It will identify only and it will send a alert. Identify and send a alert. It won't stop, sir. You don't have authority. He only said, I sent that, okay, some 10 guys are looking suspicious. Please check at the gate number 4. He said like that only. You got me? He said, okay, some suspicious happening. Okay, he sent an alert only. Now it will goes to IPS device, sir. What is that? There is a device called IPS device. IPS means institutional prevention system. IDS means institutional detection system. Okay, institutional prevention. What means? Same with the signature, it will identify and it will stop that traffic also. It send a alert also. It send a alert as well as it will stop it, prevent it. If suspicious people are there, or 10 people are suspicious now looking, they'll stop. Now suppose these 10 people are not giving any suspicious signatures. They're looking like a normal guys. Then IP and IDS devices will be yellowed. Next, then they'll go to the next generation firewall. Next generation firewall. What next generation firewall will check? It will check the previous connection history. It will check previous history of the connection. Whether he has a stateful table, stateful inception table. In this table, all this IP addresses, source port to source destination port to source port to destination port to source IP, destination IP, and connection status active or established. That status table will be there. They will cross check the table. If it has a previous history, then only it will allow. Otherwise, it won't allow. Previous history, then only it will allow. Most powerful. But unfortunately, he used a admin credentials. That means he can enter. He can enter. Then it will goes to the load balancer. Then it will goes to the DLP system. Then it will goes to the critical server. Critical server. Now critical server login page. You need to use a username and credentials. Brute force attack will be happened. Then after that, he log in, auto compromise. Then he enter. Now is still the important documents. That means to reach out to the destination, how many places and how many devices he traveled. This is called lateral movement. In the SOC analyst, lateral movement analysis is more important. If you want to understand that, what activities he done, you need to understand log files. Every device logs you need to understand. Every device logs. Why? Because evidences, activities, operations, performances, everything will be registered with the log file. That device log file, firewall logs, IPS device logs, IDS device logs, antivirus logs. Got my point? Every device have its own logger. If you try to understand a log, then you can understand attack patterns, attack operations, how attack happened, and how you are the good in the investigation. So that's why, as a security engineer, SOC analyst, you need to be good understanding on log. You need to be good expertise on log analytics. Log analytics. Data analytics is nothing but Power BI Tableau. Log analytics is nothing but security analysis. SOC operations. End of the day, you need to be analytic only. Got my point, sir? Like that, the devices will be taking care of it. Now you understand, sir. Without understanding the technology, you can't become a cyber security analyst or engineer. Understand, sir? Got my point. Now people understand, process understand, technology understand. These are the main three pillars of cyber security. Now attacks, how it will come. Now attacks, how it will come. I will give you some few examples to understand how attacks will come. Got my point. So now what you understand? What is information security? You understand. What is cyber security? You understand. And what is the three pillars of cyber security? You understand. 3 points you understand. The fourth point is what are the threats? Cyber threats, cyber attacks. Okay. Example, you can see the most important attacks will be commonly happen with a malware. Malware, sir. Malware. What is that malware means? Malware is nothing but malicious software. Mal means malicious, ware means software. Okay. There are different types of malwares like virus, worm, Trojan, ransomware, like multiple other. Okay. What is virus? Virus is a self-replicated program. It will try to corrupt the files integrated. Okay. For example, there is a pen drive having full of virus. If I keep the pen drive to my laptop, virus will be transferred to my laptop. Virus will be transferred to my laptop, and my laptop also corrupted with a virus. And over the days, my laptop can't be opened also. You got my point? Yes, that is the capability of virus. Now, worm, it will spread through network. It will spread through network. So it will try to kill the bandwidth of network. Bandwidth of network. It will try to kill the bandwidth of network. Now come to the Trojan. Trojan is very dangerous malware, sir. Sir, you can face a person who was enemy
in front of you,
but
but you can't.
you can't face the person like a enemy in your friend. He's your friend, but he's enemy. You can't identify, na? You can beat the enemy in front of you, but you can't beat the person who is behind you. So Trojan is looks like the, it looks like a genuine. It looks like a very, very clear. But if you open it, there is a script. There is a malicious behavior. పొట్ట విప్పి చూడు పురుగులుండు. Huh? Until you will open the stomach, you can't find the malicious things. Did you see the movie like a Troy movie? Troy. Actually, in my childhood,
Yes.
in my English novels, they used to teach the class. Troy. Subject is there for me, for us. This is the Troy movie. This is the Troy movie. Okay. What actually, these two guys are lovers. Okay. These two are lovers. So unfortunately, she got married with one of the kingdom guy. Okay. But he planned escape after marriage. She is also ready to go with him.
But they want to leave the kingdom.
She already married with one of the kingdom person.
Other person.
Other person.
Okay.
Other person, kingdom person. Okay. He married with one of the other person kingdom guys, sir.
Yes.
After that, they decided that they need to come back.
He go and he steal her.
Yes, he just steal her from that kingdom. That is the plan. But unfortunately, this guy don't have that much of strength. But that kingdom guy is very famous guy and very powerful guy. Huge kingdom. Okay. Then this guy went with the 200 people to go to war, to do the war. But unfortunately, he failed.
Kills him.
He failed him. Then they decided that, okay, directly I can't do war with him. Okay. Then they have some plan. What is that plan is? This kingdom guy is having an interest on horses. So one fine day, what he done, one festival is going on that kingdom.
He give gift, the horse gift
Yes,
to him.
yes. One festival is going on. So they like horse very well, na. So they prepare a 10 floors of horse, a big horse, and that horse will be gifted to the kingdom guy. So they accepted the kingdom. Why? Because it is a horse, na. They looks like horse is a god on the time. They accepted that horse. Okay, they enjoyed with that horse, and the morning daylight light, they pray to the horses and they uregimpu, just they take into the big celebrations. Okay, but at night all slept from that horse, a big horse, from this horse, big horse. Okay, from in the stomach 200 soldiers will come out. The plan is 200 soldiers are in that stomach. Once they slept, they will come out and they kill entire kingdom, they spoil entire kingdom, and they left with that car. See, Namminchi Mohan leader. Huh? So this is one kind of malware. It's like one kind of Trojan horse. Trojan horse looks like a genuine, but we don't know what is there inside. You can see, sir, one file. I will show you. This is a file, desktop documents. There is a file, RBL file. So what is the name RBI? What you are thinking? Okay, there is a file from RBI bank. Maybe some guidelines. But if I open and if I run it, within nanoseconds, my laptop will taken control by one other guy. Within nanoseconds. If I double click and I installed it, so if the file is in my laptop, they won't take access. If I open it also, nothing will happen. I need to execute that file. I need to execute the file. Sometimes what will happen, some images will be there. Nowadays, some people are telling that if you open the image also, your mobile will be hacked. Image don't have that capability. Image are having a trigger point. First, they will install a software. So to install that software, you are not manually installing the software. Na? That's why what they will do, they create an image. If you open and click on that image, that act as a trigger to that installation. If you switch on, then only light will on na? Okay, with the help of switch only you can on the switch on light na. Same trigger point they will use. Like double click and install it, then only the software will be installed. With that software only, the people take the control of your laptop or mobile or a device. Once I am in the laptop, no, it's not nothing. It is very malicious file, sir. In coming classes, I will take one isolate mission and I will run this file and I will collect all the logs into SIEM and I will investigate. Real practice will do. Actually, this file came to me only. So in WhatsApp, somebody sent me in the WhatsApp. So if you want, you can see that WhatsApp message also.
Did he hack your system?
Just WhatsApp. He is trying to hack my system. He sent like this message. This is the number. RBI.zip. Dear Provoke Technologies Private Limited, you are doing suspicious transactions in your account. Okay, so you need to report to the concerned persons. Otherwise, your account will be blocked within 3 days. Like that, he create a panic situation and urgency, and also ask me to read out the guidelines. But if you understand, within that also, he will do some mistakes. Hacker will do mistakes. On that, if you observe, Dear Provoke Technologies Private Limited. Actually, it is not our company. Our company name is Provoke Trainings and Provoke IT Solutions.
Can't we find with this one? Can't we find his network?
Sir, this phone number is there. No? You can take this phone number and you can call them. Okay, but he won't be used that mobile. He's just use this WhatsApp in the some other software, and he's try to ping from that, so that you can check where it is coming from, but you can't find the person directly. Actually, so many people thinks that okay, cyber security person means he will go and find everybody. Somebody come to me and ask, sir, you are the cyber security trainer, sir. Somebody are hacking me. Please find out that guy and drag me in front of me. We can't do that.
Means what I'm saying is, I'm using this port, this
Yes.
your Wi-Fi.
Yes,
It
you are
has a
using
certain number.
certain.
Yeah, I'm using WhatsApp through my system, but I have to connect to that port, right?
Yes, 100% network.
Yeah. So can't we find that port number?
Maybe
network?
you-
That IP address I can use. I can identify the IP address where the traffic came from.
Yes, it is coming from this means.
This means
I can
that is a
find this.
public IP address. So via network you are connecting means it's a public IP address. Public IP address will keep on change. It's keep on change.
I'm taking an internet connection, okay, at my home. It has certain IP.
Yes,
That won't be changed, right?
that is right. That won't be changed until you can restart and stop.
If I'm doing some
You-
malicious things from my system, I will be.
It will be you will be caught. You will be caught. But you directly can't do malicious things with my IP, my website. Na, I will use a Tor browser. Okay, I will mask my IP and I will do the activities. And my location is showing in the USA.
Okay.
I redirect the traffic from the USA to UK,
VPN.
VPN or other technology like Tor browser. So nobody, na. So investigation process can be taken care by policeman.
But
You can identify.
Yeah.
Everybody can identify. End of the day, for example, you done the some malicious activity from this website. Policeman can reach out to this address, but in this address also the investigation is there. Why? The same time 10 computers are connected. Na, this is an institute. Today, yesterday the IP address was connected to your laptop, your MAC address. Today the same IP address was assigned to my laptop. Na, then who done that? Now complaint time is required. Attack time is required. Otherwise, I am the victim for that. Why? Because internally IP addresses will be keep on changing. So with public IP address, he can reach out to the up to the network only. In the network, private IP addresses will be transferred. Today, the IP address is with you. Tomorrow, no, after the 1 hour, you will left out, and I came. The same IP address will be assigned to me.
But with that IP address, the
MAC address,
will be.
NIC will be there.
Yeah.
Like that, they investigated.
It will take time.
Time, that is the investigation. As a security analyst, we are learning some cyber security. We can't find that so and so ABC candidate. Until our duty is to analyze some suspicious events are happening. Okay, this was happened by like this. I want to stop it. I need to clear it. I need to safeguard our network. Not happen next. Companies won't go with a next challenges.
Okay. Yeah, gotcha.
The company won't go by one and go and take investigate it.
It stops.
It stops.
Then-
So if it is a critical analysis, so then they'll report it to the cybercrime policeman. Policeman will go and investigate. Got my point?
Yeah.
So like this, some of the things will be happened, sir. Malicious IPs like that. Okay, clear, sir. Next, ransomware means they just entered into our network and they take some critical resources and they encrypt the data. If I try to access, decryption is asking. Decryption is not with us, na? With a hacker, na? Hacker asks some money to give the decryption, like a kidnapping a person. Return the decryption, he will ask some money, ransomware. Okay, like there is a DOS attack, DDoS attack, or phishing attack. Phishing means they are sending a mails. Phishing means email phishing. Okay, spear phishing, wishing, okay, wheeling, like multiple are there. For example, email phishing means they send a email to your account, your mail, like telling that your bank KYC was not up to date. If you don't do your KYC, your account will be blocked within 24 hours. Immediately you'll get one more mail. No need to come to bank also. You just click on below link and do your KYC via online. If you click on the below link, it will open the suspicious website. So it looks like a same HDFC bank. And there it will collect your personal information. And if you enter OTP, your money will be lost from that. Otherwise, wishing via phone call, they used to trap you. Recently, Japan girl, she lost 6 lakhs rupees to transfer to one of the guy saying that astronaut. I'm an astronaut. I came from the space. I run out of my oxygen. I need to purchase the oxygen. Please transfer 6 lakhs. Once I reach to my space, I will return your money. If it is possible, I will take to you in coming days. She is very interested in astronaut, space, rocket space like that. She transferred 6 lakhs. Got my point. That's why. So different type of attacks will be there. Like DOS attack. What will happen? DOS attack is motive is to disturb the online services. Like for example, one website is there. That website capabilities handling 100 people. Hacker trying to send 1,000 people request. 1 lakh people request. What will happen? Website will be shut down. For example, 10th class results. You are trying to check for the results. Server busy. Server busy. Why? Normally people think government. IRCTC. Why? Because they expect the traffic of 10,000, but 1 lakh people came means server crashed. That's why they used to maintain the load balancers. But still, all the sufficient servers are not sufficient. Entire website will be crashed. So that hacker also doing to fake sending a traffic. That is called DOS attack. DOS attack means one server onwards you will send fake traffic. DDoS means multiple servers. You will use a multiple servers with one controller. You will control a multiple servers and sending a fake traffic to one of the legitimate website. Okay. In this website, for example, 10 servers are there. In that one server is compromised. And attacker will control this server also. Zombie attack. It is like one kind of zombie attack. Like that, different types of attack patterns are there. Whatever the attack patterns it should be, as a cyber security engineers, you need to protect. You need to protect. For protecting, two major things are there. One is offensive, and other one is defensive. Offensive and defensive. Offensive means normally we call it as a red team. Sorry, yes, red team, sir. Red team. Defensive means call it as a blue team. Sir, whatever the team, there is a purple team will be there. There is a orange team will be there. Okay, there is a different teams are there. But whatever it may be, all motive is to protect only. Cyber security means protecting only, sir. Hacking also means protecting. You are not a hacker, you are an ethical hacker. Offense, red team means ethical hacking. Ethical hacking. Ethical hacking. And VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetrating testing. Pen testing. Okay. Blue team means you can say it as a SOC, SOC, SIEM, incident response, threat hunting, threat intelligence. Okay, next IAM, all GRC, almost all modules will come under the blue team. Almost all come under the defensive actually. Understand, sir? Normally, offensive means ethical hacking and VAPT. Normally, if you understand these guys, simple, sir. These guys are intelligent police. These guys are state police. Now, intelligent police, what they will do, sir? There is a SIEM meeting. Intelligent police, one day before itself, they will go to that place and they observe entire surroundings and any loopholes are there, any backdrops are there, any criminal activities are there, any suspicious activities are there, they understand and they create a report and they give to the concerned persons. So concerned person, based on the report, they strengthen the network. That's my point. That is hacking. Hacking skills are used for ethical to safeguard the suspicious things. Some applications, some network was developed, sir. Ethical hacker will with owner permission. Owner permission. Please mark my word. With owner permission, he will go and check the vulnerabilities. He will check the security breaches. He will check the security gaps, bugs in the application. And they create report and they patch it. That's my point. But still, some attack was happened. After intelligent report also, after strengthen the network also, so many attacks was happened. Na? Yes or no? Same like that, still attackers come into the network. Virus will come, malware will come, or any other will come in different areas, different process. Then blue team will go and check when it was happened, by whom it was happened, what purpose it was happened, what impact happened, how it was came. Everything you need to investigate, and you need to create a report. And again, next coming days, it can't be repeat again to strengthen the network again. You also work for the strengthen the network. For example, intelligent police, before something happened, they used to tell, okay, in coming days in Hyderabad, more robbery is going to be happen. This is intelligent report. Okay, state police, after robbery happened, they will come and check why a robbery happened, by whom it was happened, what purpose happened, how much money it was stealed, everything they used to check. Understand, sir? That is custom. Defensive people. We are the state police. Job openings purpose also. Intelligent police, less recruitment. Yes, very powerful job, but less recruitment. But state police, recruitment will be high. Huge recruitment. 24/7 monitoring is needed. That's why in the cyber security, mark my word, in the cyber security, entry level of job is SOC analyst, SOCM. SOCM. You can keep 1 year experience, fresher experience, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. Why? Because L1, L2, L3 roles will be there. In that, SIEM engineering will be there. Say, detection engineer will be there. Multiple roles will be there. Incident response, threat hunting, threat intelligence, all come under with SOC code. Now you understand, sir? Whatever it may be, you need to be protected. Now, what we talk about our course, sir? Our course is SOC. 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 Okay. SOC means Security Operational Center. Security Operations Center. Mainly, what is the main duty of this guy, sir? The main role of this guy is quickly, please, end of the statement, end of my class statement. Okay. Quickly detect and response to internal and external activities, external attacks, sir. Quickly detect and response to internal and external attacks. The main duty of SOC is to quickly detect and respond to internal and external attacks. Whatever it may be, you need to detect it, you need to respond it. You need to safeguard the network or safeguard the devices, safeguard the assets. Got my point, sir? Now, sir, there is a person playing there. His mother is asking to check that guy. Why she asked me to check that guy? If anything suspicious happening, you need to report them. Okay, the kid is playing and you are seeing your mobile. If something happened, how you will report? If you want to quickly report to the mother, means what you need to do? Keep eye. Keep eye means continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring. If you want to quickly report to that mother about this guy, if any suspicious happened, what you need to do? Continuous eyeing on him. Same here also. In the SOC, to quickly detect and respond to internal and external attacks, we need advanced continuous monitoring. What is that, sir? Advanced continuous monitoring. Advanced continuous monitoring. If you want to do advanced continuous monitoring, SOC team needs a SOC monitoring system. SOC monitoring system. SOC monitoring system. The SOC monitoring system is called as SIEM. SIEM, Security Informational Event Management. Event Management. Now understand, sir? The SOC monitoring system, call it as a SIEM, Security Information Event Management. The SIEM is nothing but tools. The SIEM is nothing but tools. SIEM is nothing but tools. What are the tools? Splunk, ELK stack, Sentinel, IBM QRadar. Okay, SolarWinds, McAfee, Wazoo. All these are the tools of SIEM. That means if you want to quickly detect and respond to internal and external activities, you need a SIEM, SIEM, Splunk or ELK or Sentinel, any one of the SIEM tool. If you talk about a Splunk, the leader of SIEM tool. The leader of SIEM. Otherwise, Sentinel. I am going to teach you all these things. But Splunk main focused. Now simple, sir. Today class, cyber security. Cyber security is nothing but protecting. Understand? Protecting. To protecting, multiple modules are there. Multiple modules are there. On that, red team, blue team will be there. But I am talking about blue team. That is SOC. SOC means quickly detect and response and detect it. Detect. So for that, they need a monitoring system. That monitoring system is nothing but SIEM. SIEM is nothing but Splunk.
We are not going to learn about the red team, right?
Red team basics. At least what we needed, that we are going to learn.
Only one tool.
Only we are going to discuss about it.
Yes, not one tool. Splunk, ELK stack, Sentinel.
For
For IBM QRadar overview.
One more doubt I asked. What's the difference between SOC and this Splunk?
That only I am asking. That only I am telling you. So now, cyber security is nothing but crime. Crime. Cyber security is nothing but crime. In that, multiple crimes are there, na? Like robbery, murder, drugs mafia, human traffic. Multiple are there, na? On that, SOC, ethical hacking, VAPT, IAM, PAM. These are the modules of the crime. Now, SOC is a murder. Cybersecurity is a crime. SOC is a crime of murder. Doing murder. SOC. Doing murder, what you need? Two things we need. One is cruel mindset. Another one is knife, weapon you need it. Okay. Cruel mindset is nothing but cybersecurity fundamentals. Okay. Weapon is nothing but knife, gun, thread, poison, hammer. You got my point? Knife is a Splunk. Sentinel is a hammer. ELK stack is a thread. Wazoo is a poison. Like IBM QRadar is a gun. Okay. My main focus is knife. Why? If it is a gun, only security analysis. Only you can shoot the person. You can't use other use case for that.
Only once bullet going is only.
Next, if it is threat also some specific use case or some other use case also will be there. Poison only for killing the person. If it is a knife, killing the person, and also cooking, like cutting the vegetables, cutting the fruits, cutting the meat. Multiple use cases are there. Na? Same Splunk also. Splunk is a knife, na? It can do business analytics. It can do IT operations. It can do monitoring. It can do observability. It can do security analytics. It can do security analytics. That's why I main focused with Splunk. And apart from that, I am not trying to make less on other tools, sir. Other tools also I am giving best.
Sir, why, sir?
Huh?
Why, sir?
Why?
Why, sir?
Wireshark. Wireshark is just a small tool, sir. For example, while going to kill a person, there is a knife. Okay, knife is used to like, for example, I'm just making the knife as a cover, or I want to use some sharpener for the knife. That is one helping tool. That's it. It is not a big tool. It's a one type of packet analysis tool. Packet analysis tool. That is not a make sense on telling that okay, I am teaching Wireshark. But so many people outside they are telling Wireshark. Hey, 1 or 2 days is enough, sir, to learn Wireshark.
It's a package.
It's just a simple package. It's just a package which will understand the network data flows, data package flows. So no need to, for example, some people are telling virus total also. Now also you open the virus total and you check now. That means I am teaching virus total. No need to highlight them. That are the helping tools. In the entire course, 100 plus tools we will cover. You got my point, sir? 100 things we are going to cover. We don't want to highlight them. You got my point? We need to highlight them what is required to do. SIEM is more important. People are not highlighting. See, sir, with my class, what you understand? Without SIEM tool, are you going to do SOC operations? But if you learn 10 days of SIEM, what is the use, sir? You can check, sir. You can check. If you learn 10 days of tool, what is the use? So many people are getting the fails to get the job in the cybersecurity SOC analyst because of lack of knowledge on SIEM. And if you observe, sir, my students, they don't know cybersecurity also. They don't know cybersecurity also, but they got job as a cybersecurity engineer. You can check. I will show you. It is not an advertisement, Sean. Please check it, sir. You asked me that question. That's why I'm telling that. See, I'm checking offer. See, she got an offer with one of the company. Up to you can check, sir. Up to is a cyber security company. I'm promisely telling you, she didn't enroll to cybersecurity SOC analyst course. Actually, what we are doing is total 3.5 months. That means total 100 days, for example. First 50 days, entire Splunk admin and development. You will become a Splunk engineer, Splunk analyst. First 50 days. Next 50 days, with this knowledge, you will going to be a security analyst. Splunk analyst, after that security analyst you will become. But she took only the Splunk analyst course. But she got a job with the cybersecurity. Now you can check, sir, how much package she got.
45 lakhs something.
30 lakhs.
30, oh.
She has previously 14 lakhs.
Okay.
She is working for other technology, but she is new to Splunk.
Okay.
Oh, she has experience.
Other technology. But Splunk kind of activity, she is new. But with our content only, she got that much of package. 4 to 5 years of experience you can keep.
The fresher can get some.
This much of package you don't get, sir. As a fresher, 3 to say 4 lakhs, it's a common. You can get job. Recently, one of the guy got placed. Nikhil. He kept 1 year experience and he got a job.
What kind of experience?
Internship experience. Okay. He got an offer with Nikhil. Cognizant, he got an offer. He got 5.6 lakhs package. Mm, 4.5.
As a fresher, you will get up to 8,
Mm,
8, 9 lakhs, easy. 12 lakhs.
Some minimum,
Depends
sir.
on-
Sir, it's all 8, 9. It's highest ever. Yeah.
First
Minimum
we-
4, 5 is common, sir.
Common.
First
8 means it's a very
First we need
huge.
to get in. After
Get in,
experience,
get in. Come to this, sir. She got another offer also, same with my content only, sir. I am proudly selling that this is with my content only. She got an offer with the Deloitte as a contract employee with the 30 lakhs package, 32 lakhs package. Within 45 days, she got permanent with Deloitte. Normally, 6 months is the provisional period, but 45 days she got an offer with the Deloitte as a permanent role. That is the power of content. So many people are running on job only. People are not running on content wise. First, you have a content, job automatically come with you, sir. Now, same she got an offer with the Capgemini also. How many offers she is getting? So, okay, forget about she is very skilled. You can think 3.3, 33. She's skilled. Leave it about it. I will show you one example. One more example. There is a person. He's the person. He also joined in the only Splunk classes of first 50 to 60 days classes.
Okay.
And one more important thing I need to share with you, Ram. Okay. Instead of Ram, I am using a Dinakar. Dinakar is our counselor, like a senior counselor. Okay. See, what happened? Actually, he didn't pay the money. He's a January batch guy. He didn't pay the money, and after that, Dinakar. I'll show. Why? Because I'm showing this is all to fulfill some confidence in between. I'm not running out of marketing, sir. I don't want running out of market. I'm just showing that some realities why you people are fail to get a job in the cybersecurity SOC analyst. Why these guys are successful? For example, this guy, see Ramakrishna, same guy, na? What he said at 7/5, 5th month of this month, he said, please remove access to Jan 2026 batch 1. He didn't pay the money, please remove it. I said simply leave it, no problem. Please remember the dates are 7/5. Please check the time.
16 June.
June means 6th. May, he asked me to request remove. On the June, he got a job. I didn't remove the access. Why? Because I know personally about my students. What he is doing morning Rapido. Evening, he is studying. At night hours, he used to ask question and answers for me. I know the person who is ready, who is reading and who is not reading. He don't know. That's why he asked me to remove. That's why I asked to say leave it, no problem. But after 1 month, he got an offer. See, promisely, I'm telling you, he didn't take cybersecurity SOC analyst. What is his role?
SOC and L2. Oh, you got L2.
How he got it?
Is it fresher?
L2, sir.
No.
He's a fresher.
Experienced.
L2 level.
Experienced guy. But still, he didn't take the cybersecurity classes. Only Splunk classes he took.
Okay.
But how he got a SOC analyst class? But so many people are learning cybersecurity SOC analyst, but the people are fail to get the job now.
Yes.
But my people of Splunk is only getting the SOC analyst jobs.
Basics are strong. Your basics are strong.
SIEM, SIEM, who are teaching the Splunk in the SOC analyst SIEM. The main pillar is, main basics is SIEM. You want to become a SOC analyst? Who are telling that SOC analyst only? First, you need to know SIM engineering and detection engineering. Always focused on SOC analyst means you are L1 only. L2, L3 will be depend on SIM engineering and detection engineering. Who are teaching the SIM engineering and detection engineers, sir? Always, every courses are running out on alerts, how alert escalation, how alert will be created, how detection logic will be created, how investigation flow will come. Who are learning? So tomorrow I will explain very clear picture on roles of SOC and what is the importance of L1, L2, L3. In detail, I will explain on tomorrow class.
My question is, rather than this, do we have to update any other courses, or this is enough?
This is enough, sir.
Like,
If you good enough on some ethical hacking on coming classes, for example, once you get a job in the SOC, after that, if you update it to ethical hacking or something like that, then you will become a purple team. But nowadays, so many people are doing the wrong step, learning mix-up of at first time itself. Actually, purple team having a openings after 5 years, 6 years experience. But nowadays, people are learning Metrosploit, Brobsuit, Qualysys, NASAS, Kali Linux, and along with Splunk. Splunk is a defensive tool. These all are the offensive tools. What is the use of mixing, sir? That is purple team, sir. Purple team is act between the bridge between the blue team and red team.
Do we have to update any clouds like
Cloud I will teaching na cloud security I was covering na. So I am covering all these things, sir.
AWS, you are covering
AWS and GCP.
Azure
basics. No, if you want, I will give you some references. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
What is that internal?
If you have any course over here to learn those, or no need of?
No need, sir. If you are really interested, I will give you some video access.
Okay.
No problem. No, again, paying some money to others. Yeah. No need. So main focus is what you are going to learn. On that main time need to be spent. I'm a SOC analyst. I need to spend on the defensive tools. Why you need to focus on NASAS and Qualysys? Okay, Qualysys means vulnerability management, no problem. Metasploit no need na. Brobsuit no need na.
Yes.
So instead of that, now you are good in the Splunk. Better to go with Sentinel. Better to go with EDR. Better to go with the threat hunting. Better to go with incident response. Better to go with the risk management. These are defensive wise. If you're strong, then you will get an opportunity.
The only thing that I am asking is, in 2018, I took a data science course.
Okay.
They taught me Python and Tableau and algorithms. All algorithms. I learned.
Sir, it's time to ask a question, sir. Anybody having a questions, you can ask me. One of the guys is asking the questions, so no problem.
Yeah, I focused and I learned all the algorithms.
Yeah.
The algorithms, deep learning, chatbot.
Sir, nothing will happen, sir.
9 months. After 9 months, even the companies are asking for cloud.
Cloud. People are not teaching the cloud.
They are not taking your direct data science guy like that. Again, I have to update with cloud. You understand, right?
Sir, here so many people have some myth. If you are joining to the cyber security, you need a proper computer to do a simulations. So proper computer. But I didn't give any specifications to the computer. Why? Because everything I will do on the cloud only. So now I said na RBI file will be there. I will take one isolation mission and I will run it na. I will take cloud server only.
Okay.
I am not depending on my laptop.
Yeah.
That's why everything, the latest content I am going to teach you.
Okay.
So cloud you will understand. So entire architecture with 15-20 servers, we will set up our own lab with the GCP cloud. And we can do data process.
Okay.
and I will do real simulation by attacking the server, and we will onboard the data to Splunk, and we will create a use case and send a alert to your mail. Real simulations, real attacks, everything. See, you understand, sir. Splunk Enterprise SIEM implementations, real world attack investigation, threat hunting, detection engineering. Okay, program focus heavily on SIEM implementation, attack investigations, threat hunting, detection engineering, incident response, enterprise Splunk administrator, production troubleshooting, real-time attack simulation, security operation workflows, end-to-end SOC ecosystem training. Okay, networking and enterprise security foundations, everything, networking basics, everything I've covered. Packet analysis like Wireshark, TCP, Trump, DNS, malware packets, everything. See, Windows and Linux operating system we are going to cover. Okay, and also SOC operations and security monitoring we are going to cover. Threat intelligence, security frameworks we are covering. Okay, like MITRE attacks, cyber kill chain process, NIST framework, CAA trade, NIT, TTP mapping, and everything. Enterprise SIEM technology we are covering, like from entire setup, from scratch setup, entire enterprise security, like multiple servers we can set up as a storage, multiple servers we can set up as a searching purpose, and forwarding purpose agents we will set up. And also Microsoft QRadar overview, sir. QRadar wise overview only, not much more. Sentinel and ELK stack we are going to cover. And SPL, sir. So many people talking about analytics, na? Analytics. If you want to become analytics, what language you need?
We need any, like visualization tools.
Language.
Language Python.
Python or SQL.
Yeah.
First basic is SQL.
Network analyst.
Analytics. First basic is SQL.
Yeah.
Data analytics or business analytics main is SQL. Background is more important. Now you want to become a security analyst, you need a knowledge on SPL or KQL. SPL, search processing language, or custom query language. If it is a Splunk, SPL. If it is a Sentinel, ELK, okay, KQL. Without that classes, you can't become a security analyst. Sir, without SQL, you will become a data analytics, sir.
No.
Without a Python basics, you will become a data analytics, sir.
No.
మైసూర్లో మైసూర్ బోండాలో మైసూర్ లేనట్టు సీక్వెల్ మీ సెక్యూరిటీ క్లాసెస్ లో ఎస్పిఎల్ కేక్యూఎల్ క్వైరీ లేకపోతే మైసూర్ ఉండదు, అట్లనే ఉంటుంది బోండా. Analysis, log analytics create cheyali ante, if you want to create a log analytics, we need a language that is a search processing language or custom query language, anything you can choose. Anything, both are similar almost, and these are similar to SQL only. Easy to understand. It's not a coding, it's simple, easy to understand. How many people are giving this knowledge on SOC classes outside? We are exclusively giving it. If you don't believe, go and check in the Google. You will become a security analyst without SPL and KQL. Around 20 days I am teaching. 20 days. Got my point, sir? So that's why. So that was stat, chat, time chat. Different commands are there in the SPL, like stats, even stats, eval, for calculation functions, eval, join, append, multi-search commands, tstats command, mstats commands. These all we are good. Detection engineering, see, main important. Rules development, correlation search logics, behavior analytics, electric tuning, false positive reduce, threat correlation logic, security content development. And also Splunk administrator who are working for Splunk developer, Splunk admin and developer, only Splunk analyst. For them, they are covering purely on Splunk. Onboarding logs from different sources like Windows, Linux, DNS, proxy logs, cloud logs, and everything. And clustering, high availability, and all information security also we are maintaining here. Integrity we are maintaining, availability we are maintaining, confidentiality also we are maintaining in the entire my classes. Next, real-time log analytics and investigations. See, all type of log analytics we are doing. This is the biggest asset for us.
Do we need a CCNA basics or thoroughly?
At least CCNA means that much no need. That all I already told you. Networking concepts like what is IP address, what is the protocols, what is the port numbers, what is the ISO layers. Okay. Next, this basic networking is enough. OSL layers. Sorry, ISO not OSL. TCP/IP. Okay. Routing, traffic, devices used in the network. Some basic enough, not pure. Okay. Next, we have some availability, everything. Good. Threat hunting is also covering, sir. Actually, this course is 60 to 65% of L3 level, sir. L1, L2, L3, SOC. 60% of L3 we are covering. That we are giving clarity on tomorrow class. Okay. What content we have? See, incident response and digital forensic, cloud security and monitoring. Cloud security and monitoring, cloud monitoring, and SOAR and security automation, dashboards and reporting, real-time enterprise projects and simulations, career and interview preparations, advanced interview scenarios. Topics covered, these are key highlights are Splunk level practice training, real-time SOC investigation, Splunk enterprise administrator, detection engineer, threat hunting scenarios, real attack simulations, website hacking investigations, and everything. This will become a enterprise level SOC analyst, sir. Okay. Work on real SIEM environment. Perform threat hunting and detection engineering. These roles you can apply. Build enterprise Splunk environment. Handle real-time security investigations. Perform incidents response activities. Investigate multiple source security logs. Workflows and enterprise security operations. Crack advantage SOC SIEM interview successfuls. In simple, you can use this course in two ways, sir. You can use this course for two ways. One is IT and business operations, and the other one is security side. My course is for IT and business operations and security wise. See, business and IT operations wise, Splunk admin, Splunk developer, Splunk engineer, Splunk analyst, Splunk SME, subject matter expert. Security operations wise, SIEM admin, SIEM engineer, detection engineer, SOC analyst, security analyst, information security engineer, security SME, incidents responder, threat hunter, threat intelligence. The certifications you can clear by your own with my content is CompTIA Security Plus, easily you can clear. CSA also you can clear easily. For these two certifications, you need proper preparation. If you want, I will help you on it. But this can be clearly clear with my content. In the Splunk point of view, also separate certifications are there. Fundamental track will be there, administration track will be there, development track will be there, architect level. Anni clear cheyachchu with my content. With my content, fundamental track you can clear, administration track you can clear, consultant track you can clear, architect level, and also developer track also you can clear. And also security, cyber security track will be there. That means instead of CompTIA Security Plus CSA, you can do this one. Splunk Certified Cyber Security Defense Analyst. I showed in my profile. This track. SOC SIM roles. Understand, sir? So this is about course, sir. So 100% this is satisfied course up to 4 to 5 years of experience. It's time to ask your questions and clear your doubts. Please ask your questions, please. Anybody having any questions, online people, please ask your questions.
Hello, sir. What about EDR and phishing?
EDR, sir?
EDR and phishing tools.
Phishing analysis we can do in the Splunk itself, sir. Okay. Phishing tools will give some basics, but EDR point of view, Sentinel is there. So Sentinel 1, sorry, Sentinel 1 or Cloud Stack. I will give you some basic classes, sir, not complete classes. What you needed in the SOC operations, that I will teach you. But EDR and XDR, we are having a separate course, sir. We have a separate course for that. Again, 2 months course is there, like Cloud Stack and XDR we are teaching, sir. Okay. You need to enroll for that if you want complete ADR and XDR.
What is advantage?
Like more expansion,
Level
more
three.
expansion. Level 3, level 2. They are asking somewhere cloud stack or some other EDR tools also. But interview point of view, for working point of view, I will give you in the classes itself, here itself. But if you want to be expertise, like 4 years, 5 years, we want to keep in the same profile, like cloud stack itself or XDR itself. That time, that separate course is required.
Do we need a laptop or can we practice over here?
You can practice here, sir. I will arrange some computer with you. But if you have a laptop, very good.
And for you told that you will be teaching on cloud, right? For
Yes.
that, we need a separate uh, uh, login IDs for that?
For you can create your own cloud.
Practice, right?
Yes, you can practice from there.
Or you will be providing cloud IDs?
No. You can create from your side only.
And interview call you are providing.
Sir?
After complete calls,
Mm.
then you interview call you.
So I will just shape up your Naukri resume and I will refer your profiles to some of the companies. Okay. So some of the few companies are there. And also I will refer you to my students who are right now working. Okay. So we have a separate HR contact group will be there. I will add you into that group. Okay. I don't want to create some bogus here. I don't have any tie-ups to any company. I'm not doing any backdoor here. Okay. And almost my students are experienced students. Freshers also they are getting the job, but majority students are experienced students. Like 3 years, 4 years, they are keeping the experience and they're trying. Okay. So for them, how I will give you and I will refer you.
Yeah.
So if I take one company also, what I need to tell about him? He's a 3 years experience guy, but he trained from me. Yeah? I refer the freshers. I refer the freshers. I will take the companies, 1 or 2 companies. They will take an interview from freshers. For experienced guy, no companies, no tie-ups, sir. See, and really, truth I am telling you. If I called one company, sir, so this guy is 3 years experience. How I will tell? Why he will be in the Amirpet? Tell me. Did you think about that logic anytime?
Means he might be from a different background, right?
Well, that means you are framing, na?
Yeah.
How companies will accept the framing guys? If you tell them I am framing, how they will accept it? If internal candidate means, sir, you are in the training center means you framing only, na?
Yeah, I'm not talking about training center. We don't refer that we are coming from a training center, but we will tell that we are from a different organization.
It won't be happen like that, sir. So why? Because I am Ravi, as a training center owner, I am referring you means there is a connection.
Oh.
So if you are directly trying from you, like one of the referral come, one of the Ravi will refer it as a one person, then it will be okay.
Understand.
But I can't take one company here and I ask to attend by you as an experienced guy. Fresher level, no problem. He's a fresher, he learned from me, he has a good skills. You can take the content. If he is okay, you can recruit him. Fresher level, no problem.
Non-IT experience will be working.
Non-IT, you can shape up it. Shape up.
That's what I'm-
No problem, shape up.
I can go to the non-IT job right now. It will take nearly 6 months, right?
Oh, 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months. Again, I skill up, certifications, whatever I
Yes.
practice. It will take nearly 1 year.
It all depends.
Say okay. Say the estimation 9 months. Let's
Sir,
say
3-4 months also somebody got
okay,
jobs.
overall the course completion and perfection. Let's say 9 months. Example.
Yes.
Till that I can do that some other non-IT work, and can I keep that experience and I can
Yes, no problem.
no issue.
No problem. So yesterday only got a confirmation to join the company. Like he gave the interview, Cognizant. See what is his role? You can check security engineer. He also took only
But the
Splunk.
MNCs want to take the freshers I heard regarding cyber security.
Freshers.
Mm.
Who said? Cognizant is taking one or Nikhil. I showed now. He's taking from Cognizant.
If you search that whatever Accenture or Deloitte or whatever it tells in the portal careers,
Mm.
they're asking the experience. If you have any doubt, you can
It's
search.
all depends, sir.
Depends.
It's all depends. Sir, anybody having any questions, sir? Online people? Sorry, do you have any questions?
No.
So freshers wise, I can give you best, sir. By like placement wise, I have some connections. I will ask them to take this profile, and I also will refer to my students. Why? Because my students are in the top notch. Okay, they are in the team lead position. They can do no problem. But experience wise, I can give the best content, and also I will shape up your resumes in the Naukaris, and I will refer you into the some companies also. But no worries on the reference, or because it is purely some HR contacts will be there. See, it is completely purely the latest contacts. It is not about ABC technology. It is purely about Splunk and SOC. So nowadays, some students are keeping some profiles. They are getting the calls. Immediately, the phone number will be in the group. You can call them and you can schedule with them. See, this is a Wipro C2H contact. Actually, today morning, this candidate got this number. Call like you are looking for the like so and so job opening. He is already placed actually. Now he sent that number in the group. Contact to hire. You just call them and schedule the call. This is a live interviews. HRs, all HR contacts. Live HR contacts. Not 2 years back, 3 years back. It's keep on updating every day. People are updating. My students are updating. Even you are in the group. You also will be added some numbers here. So like this, we chain system will be made so that 100% you will get a chance to get a job in the SOC.
Timing batches is same only 11 o'clock.
11 I starting. Okay, maybe it will move to 9 or 10. I'm starting 11 o'clock. Maybe this batch will be moved to 9 or 10.
Morning.
Morning.
Okay, morning.
9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. It will be moved after forming the batch. Online people, do you have any questions?
What about the practice lab? Do you have any practice lab?
Sir, you can do from your side only, sir. The same class you can repeat from your side only. We are doing everything on the cloud, sir, like AWS cloud, GCP cloud, and also I will give you some Splunk Enterprise, some dummy data to do the all the simulations. Okay, and also everything like Sentinel point of view, cloud 1 month of free trial will be there. So with that you can take your own cloud and you can do your resources. So everything you can do from your home itself, sir. Anytime you are facing a difficulty to do that, you can call me and you can connect with me. I will at afternoon I will take you call and I will make like a connection and I will take your laptop into sharing and I will try to solve the problem also. Like support point of view, up to anytime you can ask my questions. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, ping me with my WhatsApp number. I will give you a voice message. Support kind means no problem.
The price regarding price.
Concerned person you can contact. They will give you best discounts also. After listening the demo, if you pay some ready to pay the enroll, they will give best discounts. After that, if you want to see one more 2 classes, okay, they will give one price like that. They have discounts. Yes. If you don't have any questions, you can leave
I want to talk with the person.
after this.
Can you stay?
Just take. Online people, any questions? So thank you. Don't have any questions? I will drop. Saikiran, Harsha, Madhu.
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Saikiran.
సార్ హాయ్ సార్ సార్
Hi.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ఈ క్లాస్కి ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకొని ఈ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్అప్ ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఈ బ్యాచ్ కాకుండా ఏదన్నా డిస్టర్బ్ అయ్యి ఇంకో బ్యాచ్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు సార్ ఒకవేళ మిస్ అయితే ఎప్పుడైనా
100% సార్, నేనే కాబట్టి. సో మీరు ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ డిస్కంటిన్యూ అయినా నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ కి ఇస్తాను. లేదు నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజే 2 బ్యాచ్ల్లో ప్యారలల్ గా కంటిన్యూ అవ్వాలన్నా యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాను. నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
ఓకే 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 థ్యాంక్ యూ
దానికి అసలు ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. మీరు చదువుకోవడానికి 100% హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను. మళ్ళీ మీరు డబ్బులు కట్టాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు.
అదే సార్ రెగ్యులర్ బ్యాచ్ కూడా ఇదే టైమా సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇంకో
11కి నేను డెమోస్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఒక 2-3 డేస్ డెమోస్ అంటే రేపు డెమో ఏమి ఉండదు, దీనికి కంటిన్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది. అట్లా ఒక 3 డేస్ క్లాసులు చెప్పాక బ్యాచ్ ఫామ్ అయ్యగానే 9కి కానీ 10కి కానీ మూవ్ చేస్తాను మీ బ్యాచ్.
యా ఓకే థ్యాంక్
హాయ్ సార్,
హై చెప్పండి సార్.
దిస్ ఈస్ హర్ష. లైక్ నాకు 2024లో గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అయిపోయింది సార్. తర్వాత నేను SAP బిజినెస్ వన్లో వర్క్ చేశాను.
ఓకే 2024.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే
2024 లైక్ 1 year 8 months బిజినెస్ వన్లో వర్క్ చేశాను, SAP బిజినెస్ వన్.
ఓకే
కరెంట్లీ ఇప్పుడు ఇటు సైడ్ కొంచెం షిఫ్ట్ అయ్యి చేద్దామని ప్లానింగ్ సార్. అది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా లేదంటే నాకు ప్రెషర్?
2024 నుంచి జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారా సార్?
అవును.
ఓకే, పిఎఫ్ ఉందా సార్?
పిఎఫ్ జనరేట్ అవ్వలేదండి, అది స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీ, కాకపోతే బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
పర్లేదు సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం, చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్. 2020 అంటే 2.5 దాకా వస్తుంది కదా సార్ ఓవరాల్ గా. ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు సార్. మీకు అరౌండ్ 3కి పెడితే మంచి కాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్.
ఓకే,
బెస్ట్.
అదే ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెషర్ వెళ్తే మళ్ళీ ఇంకా బేసిక్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోవాలి మళ్ళీ.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే సార్, మనం చేసే తప్పు కూడా చాలా వరకు మనకున్న ఎలిజిబిలిటీని బట్టి మనం వెళ్ళాలి. సో అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారంటే నేను ఫ్రెషర్గా వెళ్తే నాకున్న ప్రెజర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది అంటారు. కానీ ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టినప్పుడు కాల్స్ వచ్చేది వేరు, ఫ్రెషర్గా కాల్స్ వచ్చేది వేరు. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్గా మీకు 10 ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఉంటే ఫ్రెషర్గా మీకు 3-4 ఓపెనింగ్సే ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు మీరు ఆ 3-4 ఓపెనింగ్స్లోనే ఇబ్బంది పడలేరు కదా. ఫస్ట్ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ అనేది మనం ఖచ్చితంగా ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సిందే. అది నా రికమెండేషన్ మీకు ఏంటంటే, సో బెటర్ టు గో విత్ అప్ టు 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దానికోసం కంటెంట్ నేను చూసుకుంటా. కంటెంట్ నేను చెప్తున్నాను, మంచిగానే చెప్తున్నాను, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు కంటెంట్ ఏం చెప్పకపోతే ఆమెకు 35 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ అయితే రాదు కదా ఆమె సొంతగా. ఆమె ఎంత వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అయినా నా దగ్గరకు వచ్చింది కొత్త న్యూవే కదా, నా సబ్జెక్ట్ న్యూవే కదా ఆమె. మరి
మీరు చెప్పిన దాన్ని గ్రాప్ చేసుకునే దాన్ని బట్టే ఉంటుంది
అది 100%. కాకపోతే నన్ను అడిగితే మీరు ఏంటంటే గ్యాప్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇంకా మళ్ళీ కాంపిటీషన్ ఎదుర్కొని, ఫ్రెషర్ కాంపిటీషన్ ఎలా ఉంది, ఇయర్లీ ఎంతమంది వస్తున్నారు, నీకు ఆల్రెడీ 3 years గ్యాప్ వచ్చినప్పుడు 3 years కాంపిటీషన్ నువ్వు ఫేస్ చేయాలి కదా ఉన్న తక్కువ ఓపెనింగ్స్లో. బెటర్ టు గో విత్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. మధు, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
No, sir. No.
So thanks for your time. Have a nice day. I'm dropping the session.
యూ
Thank you so much. Bye.